What's up, my peeps? Good morning. Happy to see you guys. Jones Transmission here with another big bad video. Guess what? This morning, guys, I have a VW Passat transmission here on the table. This transmission is a 09G Tf60SN. 09G Tf60SN. This is the name of this transmission right here. Alright? That is the name of this transmission right here. Alright? This come out of 2012 VW Passat. Alright? The customer called me and told me that they have a problem. I think this transmission go to another transmission guy to fix. And they get it back, install it and put it in their vehicle, and you have a problem with the second gear, not changing none at all. Alright? So the customer called me and I went to his shop, scanned the vehicle, and I get an incorrect gear ratio, gear 2 monitoring inside. So here I am with the transmission on the table to pull it to find out what's going inside here. First and foremost, the first what I do, I remove the cooler pipe right here, right? And when I look here, I see some clog, some clutch, I see some muck right here, guys. Some muck right here. Some muck right here, as you can see. This is where the cooler pipe work. I see some muck right here. So that means that you have some clutch flaking off inside here. I don't know if the other transmission guy changed all the clutches inside of this transmission. So I don't know what's going on inside here. So I'm going to pull it to find out what's going on inside here. Remember, this transmission go to another transmission guy to repair, and they get it back and they install it in the vehicle, and now same transmission at Jones Transmission Garage, the same problem. So guys, I'm about to pull this transmission and find out what's going on inside here. It have a gear 2 monitoring. Alright? So you have some clutch issue going on inside here. Alright? First and foremost, I'm going to take off the pan, stop it off. So guys, I see some particles of clutch lining inside this pan. Alright, as you can see right here, some clutch particles. So I'm just going to pull and explain as I go. So I'm going to remove the filter. Okay guys, so as far as I see right here, I can see this is not a new filter. So the transmission guy who rebuilt this transmission before I can see that he used by the old filter. So he put silicone around here. That is a no. And look guys, look very carefully. As you can see in the filter right here, you can see clutch lining inside here. It clogged. You know what I mean? This is clutch lining inside here. So automatically the clutch inside here flake off. Understand? So when I'm going to pull it and see what I find inside here. But as far as I can see right here, I just pull off the transmission pan, and this is what I find inside the filter. As you can see, there's a clutch lining inside here. So something's definitely going on inside the transmission. Alright, so I'm going to move the solenoid wire. Take your time and pop this bad wire out. Alright? I'm taking off the connector from off the solenoids. Right here. I'm going to get that 8 socket. Usta comb. This is the thing that's holding down the temperature switch right here, the transmission. I'm going to get those wire from out of the way, guys. Alright. And then I will go ahead pull the valve. Okay guys, so this is the valve body. This is how you move the valve body, alright? Here. Alright. The output speed sensor. This is the input speed sensor. This is the accumulator. Spring going first. then accumulator second. Okay guys, go to move the load. Take your time, don't rush it. Take your time and remove the valve body harness. You don't want it to get damaged. Solenoid wire, so move it out of the way. Alright? Both of them. The second one, put it one side. And guys, as you can see, even the gasket and the valve body need to change. So I'm gonna pop this valve wire off now. This is a bellows. I'm going to remove the pump. Okay guys, so this is the pump gasket right here. As you can see, this gasket not new, it's old. And guys, look at this. Look right there. I lift the pump up just a while ago, as you can see. This is what I see right here. This is the pump piston right here, and look at it. The seal exposed. Alright, there's something definitely going on right there. remove this, bad boy right here, you have to pull the rooster comb shaft, because you have the reverse retainer casing to remove. First and most, I'm going to snap the pin out. Get my magnet. You pull the neutral switch out with the fork, with the rooster comb, all the way. There it is. Put one side. And this is how you move. You return tensioner for this piston right here. It works right here. Okay? For the reverse right here. Okay? This is the differential. You can see, guys, there's some cuttings inside your seat there. So you can see, guys, these clutches not new. All right. Bad boy, I have to pull out. As you can see, guys, right there, so try to flake off. All right. the pin that's to move from the back here. There's a pin right here from the back. You have to pull it out. The star tool, with a flat screwdriver, grab it and then pull it out the pin. This pin holds the parking valve. Alright? Then you have some safety clip hole. You have some safety clip here for the planetary set. You have to pull those safety clip first. Before you move the planetary set. This is the safety pin right here. You pull all of them. Make sure. You can pop it one way about now. Alright. Then you find your star tool. That's fit this bad boy down there, alright? So what to do now? This star tool that I am using is the Tf60, alright? It's an extension. Make sure you hold it properly, don't make it slip. And you pull. Put aside. Look at the bolt, these are the bolts, right? And on the bolt, you have some safety clip on it right here. You have to bend it because what it do, when you tighten it, you bend it back to the bolt that the bolt does suck up and move and make nice in the transmission. However, when you buy the master kit, you should get these brand new. Okay? Change these because whenever you move, you bend it and bend it back, easy break off. And then when you bend it, when you use the old one, the ears break off and drop inside the transmission and can cause problem. Alright guys. So take your time and move your planetary gear set. Have a washer also there. Work right here. Check it properly, make sure the bearing is okay. It's spinning smoothly, very nice. No coarse sound is not there. Alright, and check the teeth, make sure there's no chipping. Alright. Then you get your screwdriver. Remove your snap rings. And then you move your one-way sprog. And this is it guys, this is a one-way sprog. What you can do to ensure that the sprog going the right and proper way, you get your scriber and you make a mark right here. Alright? Just ensure that it's going the right and proper way. So what you do, Put it down right here. Then you check the teeth. In the planetary, check all the teeth them right. Just check all the teeth them here if you have any chip inside here. The bearings. Alright. We have a bushing here also need to be changed. This gear set right here give you the second gear. Alright? So you're gonna change this bushing also. Then you have the plastic bushing. Look at these clutches, guys. As you can see, this clutch is not new. They are old. So as you can see, guys, this transmission this is the low and reverse piston. So guys, let me tell you exactly what's going on. Some of the clutches in this transmission change, some do not. The pistons, this transmission carries some molding piston right here, okay? You can see all of them right here, right across the transmission. Those molding pistons did not change also. The valve body, gasket, that hold the pressure in that transmission, it ripped apart, as you can see there, prematurely. Alright, so this valve body needs to rebuild. Remove the gasket, put on brand new one on it. This gasket tear apart and cause it to dump pressure in the transmission, delaying second gear, and also the bushing need to change. And also, these rings, blue and reverse, also need to change. They are weird. So guys, this transmission is a 09G Tf60SN. The transmission came from a 2012 VW Passat. Alright? Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share it with your friend, and your friend share it with other friend, and other friend share it with other friend. Alright? And remember to ask all the questions. I will answer. You know what I mean? Drop a comment down there. You understand me? I say leave your comment down there. You understand me? I say? And big up yourself. Remember to like and subscribe. From Jones Transmission to your garage. out of JA Jamaica to the world. Alright guys? Pick up on yourself. Alright?